Good morning and welcome to the tutorial on how to navigate the private community for Kajabi users. Right now the group is called the Think Different community and we might update that at some point, but I think it's a pretty good fit for now. So my goal with this short tutorial is to kind of show you how to navigate around the system and just get you started right away. So the first thing you're going to want to do whenever you are logging in or coming back to the group is to head to the login page. So on my main website, ramosauthor.com, you can find the login button on the upper right hand side. If you click that, you'll see here and you'll be able to log in with your email and password. If you ever have any troubles with that, again, you can just reset it right at the bottom. Once you log in, you're going to be taken to a page called your library. Now, I'm in the middle of trying to update this, make it as user-friendly as possible, and yours is going to look a little different than mine since I'm on the admin side, but you're going to see any course or community or product you've purchased from ramosauthor.com that you have access to. So you'll see up here, there's dashboard, member directory, and announcements. Again, all these are going to be fully fleshed out in the coming months, but all you would need to do to get back to your community is scroll down, find your link down here and hit view product. Once you do, that's going to take you right inside, so you'll see what the community looks like. So if you're watching this, some of this should look familiar already. We have the title of the group in the upper left hand side, a simple menu to the right hand side, and a sidebar also on the right side. Here is where you're going to find the different rules and updates that you might want to pay attention to. I will plan to do updates here as well as in the main feed, just as we go along, make sure everyone gets all the information that they need. But the main thing you're going to be doing is posting, and I want to make sure you know how to do that and use the features that are available to you. So the first thing you're going to notice is that there are two ways to post. You can either post right in the feed itself or jump over to topics and then choose one of these. We'll be adding more of them over time, but for right now I wanted to keep it super minimal. So if we jump over back to the feed, you're going to see that a lot of this looks just like it would on other social media sites. You can type what you need, and then this is where the additional options come in. So here you can add a topic so that you can filter it, and that way people who are looking just at that topic can find it more easily. Let's go ahead and do suggestions. You can add pictures, images just by uploading them. You can link to videos or link to articles, and it'll add in little snippets so that people can see it. And then again, I am not 100% sure if this option is turned on for all members, but for those with the permission, you will be able to send a notification to all members when you are posting an announcement or so on. Once your post is ready, just click the button post, and then you'll see it pop up right there. Once a thing is posted, you have a few more options such as liking, adding a comment below, and then that little star in the upper right hand side is to follow the post. That way you will make sure you get notified of any comments, likes, or so on that people add to the post, question, or so on that you wrote. Beside that are three little dots, and you can see additional options here such as unfollowing the post, copying a link to it, pinning the post. I believe this will pin it just for your view, not for everyone's view, editing your post, and then deleting it. Over here, there's also the search function. So if there's a certain topic or word you were looking for, you can go ahead and do that, look for that, and it'll pop up if there's anything related. So that was the end of my short little community tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Please go ahead and add in just a little bit about yourself to the community so that we can grow this, support each other. And right now it is pretty much exclusively built for Kajabi users. So make sure you post what you're building, what you're working on, and how we can support you in that. All right, thank you and have a great day.